All right, it's time to order rockets, which is always a fun time of year. Through this slideshow, we're going to have 8 different rocket options. We're going to start with skill level 1, so you have 3 choices for skill level 1, and then we'll finish with skill level 3. If you've built stuff before, you could probably jump up to that skill level 2 or 3. We're going to start with the skill level 1 here. The first option we have is the Wizard. For $8, you get a rocket that takes the B64 engine, which the engine cost is included in that $8. So when you pay the $8, you get the rocket and the engine. And this rocket's about a foot tall, 12 inches, and it goes 1,500 feet, so it goes pretty high. So a pretty good starter rocket there. Next up we have the Alpha, which is also skill level 1. So this rocket is just a little bit longer and a little bit wider, and because of that it only goes to 1,000 feet. The cool thing about this Alpha is it takes uses a parachute when it comes down, so it actually does eject a parachute, whereas the Wizard uses a streamer, which is still cool, but the parachute looks a little cooler. But another good rocket. Last, for the skill level 1s, we have the Big Bertha for $20. This is a bigger rocket. It's 24 inches or 2 feet, and because it's bigger, it's going to take a C engine, so a bigger engine. It doesn't go quite as high though, because it is a bigger rocket. But for $20, you get a larger rocket that's a little easier to see as you launch it. All right, we're into the skill level 2s. This is like the bargain buy here. The Lodestar 2 is a 2-stage rocket, which means it has a lower set of fins, and then it also has an upper set of fins, and it takes 2 motors. A C60 and a C67, and it also has a kind of a cool payload section where you can put stuff in that clear section like confetti or gumballs, whatever you want in there. But the Lodestar 2 for $14 is a good buy. The CC Express is also a 2-stage rocket. This one takes D engines, so kind of bigger motors, but the trade-off is you get bigger motors in there, but you don't have that clear payload section, so you don't have like a place where you can put stuff. But this one goes very high. It goes 1,800 feet. Which is almost 6 football fields. Alright, we have the STM-012, which is the last of our skill level 2s. This is our longest rocket that you can order this year. It's 44 inches, so pretty darn close to 4 feet. This one also has that parachute as it's coming down, so it's nice and easy to see in the sky. So this is our biggest rocket that we can order. Alright, now we go to skill level 3. So if you've built things before like model rockets, skill level 3 is probably a good place to start, maybe skill level 2. But skill level 3, the Magician takes an E96 engine, so it's a very large engine. And then this one goes up to an altitude of 1,000 feet. So Magician will probably take you at least 3 hours to build, maybe 3 to 4 hours. Skill level 3 rocket, the Magician. And last but not least, we have the Super Neon XL for $28. A lot of people think that this rocket takes maybe like 8 engines because you see those purple tubes in the lower left side. This actually only takes one big E96 engine, so you just get one engine with this one. It's about 3 feet long, and it is a pretty cool looking rocket. Alright, so again, here's our order form, so go ahead and fill this out. If you're working solo, we just need your name on there, and you'll pay us exactly the amount shown there. If you're working with a partner, you just cut it in half, so you kind of go 50-50. The one thing to notice is that the rockets look pretty cool. They're all painted nice colors and whatnot. When we actually order them and you get them, they'll be cardboard, so you have to paint them yourself, so you have to use your artsy side. If you do have questions, ask your favorite physics teacher. We take cash or check. Checks just make them out to AVHS. Other than that, they're all good rockets, so you really can't go wrong. If you're just a beginning rocket builder, I'd probably start with a skill level 1 or 2, and more advanced, start with a 2 or 3.